Hey guys, back to another video about trigs ratios. I decided to redo some stuff related to the previous old style videos. So here is the trigonometric ratios, find unknown angles. That's definitely easy medium level. And I decided to consider several problems with the easy medium level. But before we do that, let's assume we have right angle triangle. As you can see right this, and angle B in this case is going to be right angle. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I just want to show you the way how you can quickly recognize the pattern that you need to use in your triangle. So that's definitely for those who are still struggling with recognizing the pattern and which right formula to use in each specific case. Okay, so let's pretend that we have angle X right there. Let it be angle A, okay? And we are given two sides. Let's say 10 centimeters, and we are given the bottom side, let's say 12 centimeters. You need to find angle. Everywhere you need to find angle, okay? So find angle X. So what we're gonna do, we just simply need to recognize the pattern. If you have two sides which are actually legs, not hypotenuse, not the longest side, so this is hype. So we are not given a hype, we need to use tangent. So tangent by definition of the angle X is the opposite leg to adjacent. If you want, you can use Socrates rule, but make sure you recognize that right now you're given two sides which are legs, and in this case you need to use definitely tangent. So opposite 10 over adjacent 12. Okay, that's how we can calculate angle X by pressing 10 minus 1 button from the ratio 10 to 12. Okay, now let's pretend that instead of one side, you're given hypotenuse. In this case, we just erase this side, okay? We're not given that at all. And right now we are given hypotenuse, which is, let's say, 15 centimeters. Of course, it's going to be the longest side. How to find this angle X? Okay, so right now you have still adjacent side and you have hypotenuse. When you have adjacent side and hypotenuse, when you have always hype, in other words, you need to use either cos rule or sine rule. In this case, because you're given adjacent leg, you definitely choose cos. So that's why cos by definition of the angle X is simply adjacent over hype. So adjacent over hypotenuse. And that's how you can build up your ratio as 12 to 15. And as you notice, cos and sine never can be more or greater than 1. So that's why you need always to check your fraction. So in the case you complete a fraction that exceeds 1, so obviously it's not right, and it won't work, in other words. Okay, so from there you can press your button cos minus 1 of the fraction 12 over 15. In a case if you are given not 12, but let's erase that and assume you're not given 12. Okay, sorry. So let me erase quick. Okay, you're not given adjacent side, and let's assume in this case you are given angle X, let it be still there, and you are given opposite side, let it be 10 centimeters. How to find angle X? In this case, to find angle X, you notice that right now, opposed to the angle X, you have opposite sides. So instead of cos, you will choose sine because you still have hypotenuse. So that's why you construct another trig ratio with sine X, which is simply is going to be opposite to hype. So opposite to hype. And that's how we can get simply 10 over 15. And from there, you can press again -1 inverse function sine inverse 10 over 15. So that's shortly how it works, and this is actually the basics that you need to know. And then we go to trigs problems, but that is going to be in the next video. Thank you guys, and see you later.